Wow, Peaches, I forgot how great we were together.
You know what them say? Old bro, Jesus a fine corner. Anyway, you mash me up bad. You have no more sense on being come along on our next round.
Oh no, that's your man. I better get out of here before he shoots me again.
You have the boy Goku in here, don't?
Babes, what you talk about?
It's alright. Me soon fix him business.
I am Shenron. I shall grant you any wish. Now speak.
Me want take away Goku baby mother.
Wait, what? Pardon me. I don't think I'm hearing right. What did you say a while ago?
Hear what me say? Me want take away him baby mother, you know, make she love me off.
Alright, come on, man. This is Goku we talking about. You know, Goku.
Me know say a Goku, don't worry about that. Just grant me wish.
Okay. No say nothing more.
Wait, me say Goku baby mother. And a Chi-Chi this.
You said Goku baby mother, but you never said which universe. Your wish has been granted.
Sure. Wait, you're like a god, right? I guess a win is a win. I guess a win is a win.